गोइंग है कि कृपया आए और क्विज अटेंड करें डीबीटी प्ले जोन में। सही उत्तर देने पर आपको इनाम दिया जाएगा, आपको प्रोत्साहित किया जाएगा। अपने विज्ञान की परख को जांचिए क्विज अटेंड करके। आइए आइए आइए।
Okay, but yeah, so let's go to the next question. That is number 30. Now, see, look carefully, you will know the answer. Now, name the India's first genome edited rice variety. Question number 3, here it goes. Which IIT was the pioneer of the IIT system? Which one? This one? This one? Which one? This young boy?
IIT Mumbai.
IIT Mumbai. No? Wrong answer? Next? Who is next? Wait. Which one? This? Okay, you.
Madras.
IIT Madras?
No, wrong.
Still wrong answer.
Wrong answer.
IIT Pune.
IIT Pune?
No.
Wrong answer again.
Delhi.
IIT Delhi? Wrong answer again. Okay, this young man here? IIT Roorkee.
Wrong answer.
Still wrong answer. Anyone? IIT Kanpur.
Wrong answer. Still wrong answer.
No. Okay, wait.
Kharagpur, IIT Kharagpur.
IIT Kharagpur?
Correct answer.
Correct answer. What's your name, brother? Please come inside. So it's IIT? IIT what?
IIT Kharagpur.
Kharagpur.
So I invite Director IBSD to please
Please come. Yeah, please make way for him. Please keep this part a little bit clear. Yeah. And what's your name, sir?
Saurav.
Master Saurav have won the number 3. Please clap your hand. Okay, I would expect now those who sit here, okay, you should win something. Alright. Please check properly, huh? Don't look up, just look down also. Okay, now, fourth question. Everyone ready? Ready? I can hear you. Everyone ready? Okay, here we go with the fourth question. Oh, it's a long one. Which Indian institution developed an affordable, rapid antigen test kit for COVID-19 that could give results in 5 minutes? Anybody? That brown guy. Yeah, maroon. So, let's see, what is your answer, sir?
IIT Delhi.
IIT Delhi?
correct answer.
Right answer.
Correct answer! Wow, well done, come forward.
I invite some.
So, he got the correct answer, okay?
Please present him.
Come.
What's your name, please?
Aditya. Hansraj Public School, Sector 6, Panchkula.
Everybody, please clap your hand. So, see if you win any prize, now, even your school. What's the name of that lake and where it's from?
Manipur.
Correct answer.
Manipur. So you give half. Loktak Lake, okay, he knows it.
Yes.
It all. Okay, he knows it all, huh? Loktak Lake from Manipur. What is your name?
Sushant Sharma, Bhavan Vidyalaya Panchkula.
Congratulations, Sushan. Alright, so see. Whew. I'm sweating now.
So it is famous lake where you have floating villages.
So all these are floating, okay? It never stay in the same place. Okay, alright, so next question please. Itanagar?
Correct.
Correct answer. Please come forward. So she got that capital of Oracle. What is your name and which school you belong to?
I am Riddhi Gupta from the Wisdom Global School, Haridwar.
Congratulations to you. Do you like the quiz or not? So Madam Indira, she is giving her the prize. Congratulations. Yeah. Ask your name and okay, first the gift.
I'm Arunima and I'm a research scholar.
Congratulations to you. Yeah. So next question of the largest national park in Northeast India. Yeah, please come. Let's see what this young madam she has to say. What is the answer?
Kaziranga National Park.
Kaziranga National Park? Wrong answer. Anyone? कहाँ इधर इधर? Oh, please come here.
Amadaba National Park.
Correct answer.
Correct answer. Have you ever heard about that?
It is Nandaba National Park. Nandaba National Park.
Okay. What's your name and school you belong to?
My name is Ayush Chaudhary from the Wisdom Global School.
Congratulations to you. Yeah, I think everyone else left, so yeah, they are the shepherds. Kaziranga National Park. Oh, many hands. I in this side also hands. You decide. You didn't check. Nobody is checking. This you come. Yeah, you. I think did I call you? Okay, you come anyway. So please give the wrong answer, huh?
Assam.
Assam, is that right?
Correct answer.
Oh, correct answer. She got the correct answer. I have asked her for wrong answer, but she gave the correct one. What's your name and which school you belong to?
My name is Bhukanya Kamush and I belong to Swaraj Public School, Damla.
Congratulations to her, Yamanagar. What is the answer?
Meghalaya.
Meghalaya? Oh, wrong answer. Now, okay, he pointed her. Official is asking her to answer. Please give your answer. Arunachal Pradesh?
Wrong answer.
Still wrong answer. Alright. Sikkim?
Wrong answer.
Still wrong answer. Come, you come here. I'll give.
Assam.
Assam?
Still it is wrong answer.
Wrong answer. Now you give the answer, boy.
Meghalaya.
No, it's wrong answer.
Wrong answer again. Yeah.
Kerala.
Kerala.
No, it's wrong answer.
Wrong answer again.
Nagaland.
Nagaland.
It is still a wrong answer.
Still wrong answer. Oh, this goes on and on.
Manipur.
Manipur.
It's still wrong answer.
Wrong answer again.
Madhya Pradesh.
Madhya
You
Pradesh.
have to answer from the northeastern state. It's still wrong answer. Okay. So now
Tripura.
it's still wrong answer.
Still wrong answer.
So now I see. See you have no, still wrong answer.
Still wrong answer.
Now
Ram.
only that is left. So
Yeah, he got it at least. Come on. So, largest bamboo production state from Northeast is?
Mizoram.
Please tell me your name.
My name is Goel from PWGS Haridwar.
Congratulations. See, sometimes luck favor you, you know. So you keep on trying.